beautifully designed living room that has a such a big kitchen area, has been full looking master bedroom that's been. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. I am Falak and today we are here at the DNR Park Link by DNR Group, which is located at Hennur Baglur Road, which is the new airport road in North Bangalore. We will be doing its sample flat tour. Well, regarding the project, we are going to know a lot in detail, but first, let us know what is Housey. Well, let me tell you that Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects the customers directly with the developer, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. That means the best rate possible. Unlike other current listing platforms, wherein if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers. And what's the result? You get a lot of calls. Well, let me tell you that Housey is one such real estate platform wherein the listing is done directly with the developer. So do not go here and there. Book your dream home directly with the developer through Housey. So well, now let's talk about the project, which is the DNR Park Link by DNR Group, which is located at Hennur Baglur Road, which is the new airport road. Well, this project is going to be constructed on 8.35 acres of land parcel, having 70% of open spaces. And there are going to be 5 blocks, that means 5 towers of ground plus 22 floors. This is the model. This is how the project is going to look like, and you can see a lot of space is filled with a lot of greenery as well. And when we talk about connectivity, and this project, we are going to get 2 BHK, 2.5 BHK and 3 BHK as well, and premium apartments. Well, from here, the malls are at an easy connectivity, just 2.5 to 3 kilometers, as well as healthcare facilities are there just within a radius of 5 to 6 kilometers. When we talk about tech parks, so tech parks also you get within an easy reach of just 5 to 10 kilometers, as well as when we talk about schools and colleges. So at an easy connectivity, you also get schools and colleges as well. Now let's talk about the amenities part. So I just want you to see here, a lot of multi-purpose courts have been given over here. A nice kids play area has been given, seating area has been given, a place for your amphitheater has been given, a swimming pool has been given, as well as different multi-purpose courts, and also there is going to be a 40,000 square feet well-designed clubhouse. So overall 40 plus wonderful amenities are going to be in this project. And now without any delay, let's go and see how the sample flat is. Let's go. So right now we are heading towards the 3 BHK sample flat of DNR Park Link by DNR Group, which is located at Hennur Baglur Road, that is the new airport road. It is of 1899 square feet, super built up. So without any delay, let's go inside and see how the sample flat is. Let's go. So as we enter, there is a nice passage area that's been given over here. You can utilize this space as well. And now let's go inside. This is the nice, big, spacious, beautifully designed living room that has a big space for your dining table as well. I think easily a 8-seater dining table can fit in over here. There is a place for your utilities here as well, and here is the seating area that's been given. Ample space is there for your seating area. So I must say that it's a nice, big, spacious and elegant looking living room. Now let's go and see the balcony. Wow, look at this. A nice big wide balcony has been given over here. A wooden flooring has been provided over here, and ample of space is here so that you can fit in 2 good chairs over here, as well as just have a leisure time looking at the beautiful scenery outside and enjoy your cup of chai and just have a good time. So I think this is a nice big balcony that's being provided over here, so that's like a cherry on the cake. And now let's move ahead. Also, as you can see, the flooring has been given, the vitrified flooring has been provided, as well as wide French sliding windows have been provided for you to make your house look even more spacious. One more window, the sliding French windows has been provided over here, so there's ample place for your ventilation as well. And now let's go to the bedroom number 1. Before that, I also want you to notice that the height of the floor is really high, so that also makes the house look even more grand. And let's head to the bedroom number 1. Wow, look at this. A nice, big, elegant looking bedroom number 1 has been provided. A seating area has been provided over here, so that's also really great. French windows, sliding windows have been provided over here as well. On the back there is a place for your inbuilt wardrobe, so that's also really great. And since the height is high, so a good storage space is also there. This room comes with an attached washroom. Anti-skid tiles have been provided, high-end sanitary fittings have been provided, as well as a window for your ventilation is provided as well. And now let's go and head to the bedroom number 2. But before that, on our right is the kitchenette area. Wow, look at this. Look at this. Such a big kitchen area has been provided over here. Granite platforms as well as stainless steel sink, as well as a nice big half French window. Sliding windows have been provided for your ventilation. This space you can utilize for your washing machine, your refrigerator. So there's like ample space in the kitchenette area as well, and a nice movable and a big kitchenette area is there, and this is also very important, as you all know. And now let's head to bedroom number 2. Before that, I want you to see this passage area that's been given over here. So a nice broad wide passage area has been given, so that's also really great. And this is the washroom, the common washroom that's been provided over here with an inbuilt wash basin, a window, high-end sanitary fittings and anti-skid tiling. Let's go to the bedroom number 2. A nice big bedroom number 2 as well has been given over here. A wardrobe space, your bedroom space. You can also customize and make this your dressing table at the side, as well as the windows here have been given the sliding French windows. This place can also be utilized for a study, or you can just make the showcase kind of a thing over here as well. And now let's head to the bedroom number 3, which is the master bedroom. But before that, do you know what does Housey actually do for you? Well, let me tell you that in Housey, you get to know the actual location tour. We also let you know the sample flat tours as well. We also give you pros and cons of every project. Like, why is this project good for you? Why is this project not good for you? Why you should invest in a particular project or not? We also give you the all-inclusive pricing, inclusive of EMI and down payment details. And we also give you the 360 degrees virtual project tour. Wow, what can be better than this? Well, if after all of this, if you like the project, then in 3 simple clicks, you can do your free site visit book. So what are you waiting for? Just go and click on the link mentioned in the description and book your free site visit now. And let's quickly head to the master bedroom, which is bedroom number 3. Let's go. So this is the beautiful looking master bedroom that's been given over here. I want you to notice a wooden finishing has been given in the master bedroom, so that's also really great. As well as here is the window that is being provided for your ventilation. A small window has been provided over here, as well as those sliding windows have been provided over there. There's a balcony there as well. We will show you that, but first let me show you the walk-in wardrobe that's been provided over here. So that's also really very great. Having a walk-in wardrobe in a master bedroom is always really great. And now let's go and see this very nice, elegant looking washroom, a premium looking washroom that's been provided as per your master bedroom, with anti-skid tiling, a window for your ventilation, anti-skid tiles, a separate place for your bathing as well. So that's really great. And now let's head to the balcony. Before that, I want you to see there is a place here where you can utilize and make this as your dressing table or your study table. And let's go to the balcony area. A nice big wide balcony with wooden finishing has been provided over here. So that's also really very great. So yes, this was the 3 BHK sample flat tour of DNR Park Link by DNR Group, which is located at Henwood Bangalore Road. That is the new airport road in North Bangalore. How did you like the flat? Let us know in the comment section. Also, if you want to download the e-brochure of this project, you can just go and click on the link mentioned in the description. As well as if you need details about this project or any other project, you can just go and register yourself on housey.com. And also, before going, we would like to ask you, what is your feedback on these videos that we make, the sample videos that we show you, the project videos that we show you? What are your feedbacks? Negative as well as positive feedbacks are welcome for us to improve. Let us know in the comment section as well. And before going, you know the drill. Subscribe to our channel Housey for more details, for more videos and for more updates. And also, if you like this video, do not forget to press the like button and share this video as well with your friends. I will meet you in the next video. Until then, bye-bye and take care. So everyone, this was a 3 BHK sample flat tour of residential project DNR Park Link located in Baglur, Hennur Main Road by DNR Groups. If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.